What's going on, YouTube? Chris here. Want to bring you all a quick update of Digibyte. Right now we're sitting at about 5 cents. We're down 2.68%. What I want to do here, we've talked about this for Digibyte, how you guys are just great. You and the Litecoin community seem to be some of the best in terms of giving likes and views and just helping this channel out. So I wanted to do individual Digibyte videos at least once a week to get them out there and give you just a little bit more detail about Digibyte and where we may be going here. So we're going to look at this on CoinMarketCap, and then we're going to get into it on TradingView and look at some of the candles as well. So if you get some from these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me know if you think Digibyte's going to be a winner in this space, and we're going to dig into this. So first of all, when you're looking at Digibyte here, guys, we're at about 5 cents, the overall market cap. We have not hit $1 billion yet. We're at 753 million. Overall volume at 46 million right now, and the circulating supply is something I wanted to point out. It's at about 14 billion right now for the circulating supply. The max supply is 21 billion. And the reason why I say this is if we bounce out and we take a look here just to show you, and this is the potential of what could happen for Digibyte. If we go out to XRP, you can see XRP here has 45 billion coins, and this is a coin that at one point was up to $3. So this has had more coins in circulation, as you can see, than what Digibyte has had, and it was still able to get up to around $3. So when you're looking at Digibyte at this 5 cents range, just realize that if we get a serious altcoin season, we could be looking at a Digibyte at over $1. I mean, it's definitely a possibility when that volume really comes in. I mean, you can see for right now, XRP has about 20 billion as a market cap, and it's at 46 cents. And that's with the 45 billion for a circulating supply. So now if we get back to Digibyte here, I want to go back to the previous all-time high and take a look. So if we take a look, Digibyte before has been roughly, if we can pin this out here at the high, it's pretty tough to get it exactly, but we have been up to around almost 16 cents before. Like some charts I've seen it at 12, some charts I've seen it up to around 16 depending on the wick, but with the actual close here we're around 13 to 14 cents, and with us sitting at around 5 cents now, we have not broken through that previous all-time high like some altcoins have, like even Ethereum, how it's broken past its all-time high. So that shows Digibyte still could have a lot of room left to run if we are to get this serious altcoin season. Digibyte here, you can see the end of the bear market, we made it down to as low as 0.0030, and why I want to mention that is because as extreme as the bear markets can get, the bull markets can also get that extreme to the upside, and that's something we need to be aware of, because from this bear market here, if you actually take a look, this may have been our one complete wave. We have our two, we just pushed up for our three, we came down for our four, and then if we come up and get that major fifth wave, that could be something that could take us back to all-time highs or even higher, if we're looking at that correctly. Not saying that's 100% accurate, but you know, if we even look over here, you can see we had this first monster wave, we came back down, we had our two, we pushed up for our three, we came back down, then we had our fifth wave. And that's typically how these things work. What you'll see is one impulse wave up, and then you'll have a corrective wave, then your third wave up, and then you'll have a corrective wave, then your fifth wave, then you have your ABC correction is typically how it works. Obviously, guys, you know, anything can happen in the crypto space, but it's something that I like to pay attention to, and sometimes you can spot these things out. What we're talking about is in the macro sense, because you can pick these wave cycles out from the minute chart all the way out to grand super cycles. Okay, so we're just really getting a rough look here. If we get into the 1 year for Digibyte, and you can see, guys, we just had a pretty decent retracement here. We were all the way up to around roughly 8 cents, and then we just came back to around 5 cents. And that's the importance of taking profit in this space if you're swing trading. Obviously, that's different if you're a longer term investor, but you can see big volume coming back in to Digibyte here. If we go back out, you can see this heavier volume, these heavy swells, and that's what happened last time when we were in this serious bull market. You can see how things just go straight up many times. Okay, so we've got that big retracement. It could be something similar to what we had over here, where we had that big push, we had a quick retracement, then we got that massive wave back up. So I'm definitely keeping my eye on Digibyte here. And if we go out to Digibyte on the candles and we take a look, I wanted to look at a few EMAs. And also, guys, I appreciate, I had some people, I put in my Digibyte address, people have asked for that to help out this channel, and someone donated 1,500 Digibyte to this channel, and I just really want to say, if you're here on that, I really appreciate that. That is such a blessing. So it's definitely not unnoticed, so I really appreciate that, and I'll keep covering these Digibyte videos. You guys keep taking care of me in terms of likes, subscribes, all that type of stuff. We'll do that. So I just want to shout out that person. So what I want to mention here, though, as we're looking at Digibyte on the candles, you can see we wicked all the way down to this 50 EMA. and that was roughly at 0.05036. Okay, so we're trying to hold that. If we're not able to hold that, we're going to look down to the 100 EMA, and that's going to be at 0.041, and then all the way down around this 200 EMA. And I don't think a bad buying opportunity if you put limit buy orders, obviously not financial advice, but around that 0.036, if we get a quick leg down with a long wick, that may be something that's possible, because I don't think Digibyte's done, guys. Just in my opinion, when we look at this is a nice healthy uptrend that we're dealing with here, and we're just in one of those corrections. But we're gonna have to get that big heavy buying pressure coming back in for Digibyte. Now, if we get into the technical analysis, I was trying this earlier. It may not give it up to me, guys. It's looking like I'm going to have to reset everything. But the technicals for Digibyte right now are very neutral, sitting at that neutral area. Okay, but you know, for the main thing for Digibyte, guys, you got to find that support, and then it's going to be getting roughly through that 0.0862, which we have been up to before. So just want to put this out there, guys. If you get some from this, you like me covering Digibyte individually and a quick little update there, let me know down low. But I think this is one that's going to continue to do well if the altcoins continue to do well. God bless each and every one of you. Take care, my friends.